Welcome to day 3 of the Super Bowl snack treats. You're going to like this one because it's full of bread. My name's Marianne. Welcome to my little country kitchen. And we are going to be making these cute little football breads and stuffing them with turkey and cheese. But instead of just doing a regular sandwich, let me show you. I'm going to cut these about 3/4 of the way through. On both diagonals. So now it's a cute accordion. Okay, you're going to want to get some melted butter and any seasonings you want. I'm going to do oregano just for the color and some garlic salt, added flavor, and brush this deliciousness over the top. Open it up, kind of let it seep in the cracks. Then I'm going to get strips of meat and cheese and slide them to each of the cracks like this. And some Gouda cheese and some mozzarella cheese. Okay, now that we got all the one ways, now we need to stuff the other ones in the middle. And then I'll get the rest of the butter mixture and brush it over again. And now I throw this in the air fryer just until the cheese melts, just for a couple of minutes. Look at my cute little football sandwich. It's birdie, huh? Okay. My taste tester's at work, and my other taste tester can't eat because he's getting surgery. So, we can have this little corner.
I'll tell you this, it does smell really freaking good.
I poured butter with garlic and oregano on top. Oh, that's freaking good. Make one of these for everybody at the party. They're gonna want their own individual one. These are yummy. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye. And the next little football sandwich, I'm going to add pepperoni and mozzarella for my hubby because he would love basically pepperoni sandwich. That'd be awesome, right? You can eat it however you want.
You put rosemary on it?
It's oregano.
It's not bad. You probably could have made little thicker pieces of turkey.
Oh, more turkey? Yeah. But flavor?
No, it's actually pretty good. It's like it's actually kind of more like garlic bread with a little bit of meat.
And cheese. So it's like a cheesy garlic bread with meat. Yay. Yummy, yummy. Another win for Super Bowl party snacks.